everybody, this is Rachel from Rachel Bennett School of Belly Dance, Fitness, Fun and Fabulousness in Windsor and Maidenhead, Woking and Berkshire, UK. And today I'm going to be sharing with you some ideas to displace your hip drops. Now, hip drops are a really quintessential belly dance move, and I'm working on the basis that you already know how to do them. And what I'm going to be telling you today can also apply itself to hip swerves and hip twists. So, one thing I love to do to make my hip drops more interesting, to help my students get over a creative writing block with their choreographies, is to give them ideas where they can take basic moves and change them up and surprise their audiences. And this is also very useful for when you're improvising. If you've got lots of dance vocabulary, you're never going to get stuck when you're improvising either. So, displacing my hip drop. What I like to do is do the hip drop, but work the foot across and to the side alternately. Now, you can adapt the way you're doing the hip drop to fit the style of music you're dancing to, whether you're going more with the ball of your feet, perhaps on a piece of saidi, or if you're trying to do something more classical, you might work through a pointed toe, where the tip of your toe is brushing the floor. Either way, it looks quite gorgeous, and you just work out what you want to do according to your style. So, let's start with your right leg. You can assume any position you wish to with your arms. You've got a good core, and you've got a soft standing knee there, and you're going to start by taking your foot slightly across. You've still got the weight nice and balanced in the back leg particularly, and you're going to drop and flick, and then take the foot out to the side and drop and flick. Drop and flick and drop and flick. Drop and flick, drop and flick, drop and flick and drop and flick. Now, work with your arms as you wish. Don't be shy to make some very delicate or beautiful poses, classic poses, moving arms, whatever you like. It's harder to flick the leg when the leg is out because you're trying to keep the leg out, and you'll notice it's much easier to flick the leg when it's closer into your body than when it's slightly further away. But that's okay, you just keep the integrity of the move, and it just adds that lovely, new, slightly unexpected imagery to your dancing. And that's our job as dancers. We are always looking to create beautiful pictures with our bodies in the space that we're occupying. So let's try something on the other side. Let's assume a new pose. And we're going to take the leg across, and you're going to 5, 6, 7, and drop and flick, and drop and flick, drop and flick, and drop and flick, drop and flick, drop and flick. Last two, last one. Now, this is a little move that I use in one of my Princess Jasmine inspired choreographies. I have a dance to Shake It Off Disney style that I'm going to be teaching in workshops. So if you check out rachelbellydancer.com and hop over to our workshop page, you'll be able to see where I'm teaching that and when, or get in touch with me directly to learn more. I absolutely love doing hip drops. Hip drops are so much fun, and there's lots of things you can do with them to make them more elaborate and give that exciting moving picture to your audience. And I'm going to be adding a few more hip drop tutorials to this range. In the meantime, hop over to rachelbellydancer.com, have a look at our classes, have a look at our workshops, and if you want a free belly dance workout, it's there for you. You just have to sign up to our newsletter. Okay, have a great time, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.